Ripple just got some more mainstream adoption, and this could be huge for Ripple right now. It definitely needs a boost. Those gains from the SEC have all but disappeared, but not all hope is lost. In fact, I'm even more bullish on XRP than I've been for a long time. So if you're bullish on XRP, subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with everything. Smash a like, and let's get into this one. So BitPay, now you know XRP partnered up with them, now allows users of XRP to purchase Taylor Swift tickets on her upcoming tour using XRP, SHIB, BTC, and Ethereum. So you need an AMC wallet. Go to the AMC website and then ultimately use your cryptocurrency as a form of payment during the checkout process, and then you can get Taylor Swift tickets. Now, forget the fact that it's Taylor Swift. This is actually a pretty big deal because what it does do is it uses XRP and it gets XRP out to the masses. This is the important thing right now. Cryptocurrency right now is incredibly quiet. There's not a lot of new money coming in. All the people that are kind of in there are been in here for a long time. But it does, however, give us an opportunity though to accumulate some of these fantastic projects. Now, you know I've been talking about XRP on this channel for a while now because we think it's going to be huge. There is one big hurdle in the way, which is the case against the SEC. Now, we already know that twice XRP have won this case, and this is why we are seeing more mainstream adoption. Companies like BitPay, Now Payments, all coming to the forefront and using XRP as that point of difference. Equally, we'd also know that XRP will be used financially by some of these big companies, these big finance companies using the CBDC network and using some of the XRPL, that ledger I talked about in my previous videos, as a massive statement when it gets to cryptocurrencies. This is a huge step in the right direction. Fantastic to see that we're using XRP as well as some other cryptocurrencies, and it does feel like it's now in this forefront conversation. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. It rolls off the tongue. It's people are talking about it. You see it everywhere. It's fantastic news. And like I said, the news of the SEC case has kept the price of XRP down. Now, I'm not going to go through this full article. I just wanted to give you my view, particularly on what it is. And we know that, Ripple trading currently around 48 cents. We topped out at 93 on the back of that announcement that they were not deemed as a security on the secondary sales, but it all has gone. Now, remember though, we were about $1.12 trillion market cap as XRP began to run. We actually saw some benefit across the rest of the market, but the market has continued to push down. What do people do when everything feels a bit riskier? When people need to just consolidate funds, they move it out of risky assets. And ultimately, when you type crypto into Google right now, all you see is the war in Israel. All you see is gangs using cryptocurrency. We're back to the old narrative that's been spun, which is cryptocurrency is a bad thing. And it's kind of showing me that we are absolutely at the back end of this bear market. It's the last final push of suppression to keep the cryptocurrency price down. Now, we know that Grayscale have just not had the appeal from the SEC. Fantastic news. If you haven't check my video out, definitely go and have a look at that to keep you up to date. But this definitely paints a picture of a much more positive outcome coming. And I think this is where something like Ripple, as well as some of the other great coins we talk about on this channel, are really setting themselves up for when the market shifts, they're going to be in prime position to really maximize the potential. And what do I mean by that? Well, a lot of people starting to become incredibly bullish on where we could see XRP go, to the point where we're seeing predictions here of $6 if they come out on top versus the SEC. And that's the critical statement, not only for the entire cryptocurrency market, but particularly for XRP. Now, will there be live after that SEC ruling if they deem it was a security? Yes, of course it will. But I think the court is on our side. Judge Annalisa Torres is on our side. We have to wait for April 16th, remember, for that provisional court case hearing. April 24th, when everybody goes into court. Remember, 3 points to that. XRP security sales, both Mike and Brad have their own individual court cases as well. So we'll see how it all plays out. But like I said, a lot of people starting to get excited about where we could see this price move. You can see here reaching price range of $2.50 to $3, and then further onwards, if the market then moves, as we expect back end of this year into 2024, we could definitely start to see XRP test those $10 ranges and equally a bit higher. So what's the price going on right now? Well, it's kind of booking a little bit of a trend to the rest of the market. It's totally detached from where Bitcoin's moving. We obviously got a slight better movement in the market based on the fact of that Grayscale announcement, but we're currently looking to retest on this 4855 line right in here that we want to see. Now, again, there isn't a lot of liquidity sat between here, not a lot of volume trades. This is going to be the next bit here when we start to see Ripple retest around that 50-cent line, which we've talked about for a long time. Here is the concern though. We are seeing quite bearish moves in the 200 and the 100 EMA. I'd like to see a cross here on this 20. This does just give us a downward trend, this cross here. So we need to see this one and this one. If they can start to cross as this come down, down, then the trend might start to move to the upside and give us a slightly better view. RSI is definitely oversold. Volume, though, is pretty low, and that is the same across the rest of the cryptocurrency market going into the weekend, and ultimately just where we've been right now. But like I said, a lot of people are bullish on it. The fact we're seeing things like Taylor Swift concerts, you can buy it with XRP, has to be a good sign, has to be a sign of the market's beginning to change, I think. As ever, let me know in the comments down below. What do you think? Are you going to the Taylor Swift concerts, and did you buy it with XRP? And as ever, smash that like button if you're interested in more cryptocurrency content like this. Subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.